wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best bicycle repair stands. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Conquer Portable comes in a bright orange color that makes it easy to identify in a messy, disorganized garage. Its clamp can accommodate frames from 30 to 75 millimeters in diameter, and its handlebar stabilizer prevents wheels from turning while you work. It includes a tool tray and sets up easily in minutes. However, it has a relatively low maximum weight capacity. At number 9, the Venzo workstand is an aluminum alloy model, making it lightweight and durable. The clamp is equipped with a ribbed rubber sleeve that securely grips the frame without scratching it, and the head adjusts smoothly in any direction. The legs won't slide during use and is backed by a 5-year warranty, but it struggles to hold heavy bikes. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Confidence Pro Telescopic features a solid steel clamp that's compatible with all standard bike frames. It can handle daily use with bulky bikes for years, and has a magnet on the tool tray to attach loose parts while you're working. It comes with a hex head wrench and 4 legs for reliable stability. However, the cushions on the clamp can fall off. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bicycle repair stands, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, you can adjust the cyclingdeal maintenance to different heights, allowing you to perform your tasks in a sitting or standing position. It's ideal for cleaning the grit and grime out of all the hard-to-reach nooks and crannies. It's got a small footprint for easy storage and an attractive scratch-resistant finish, but its clamp is somewhat fragile. Moving up our list to number 6. Not all of us have a huge garage or a spacious workshop, but the powerfly rack can be used in a relatively small area. It mounts on a wall and is capable of holding anything from a kid's bike to a heavy-duty mountain bike. It includes all the mounting hardware, and the arm flips out of the way when needed. However, it doesn't rotate. Halfway up our list at number 5, the yaheetech Pro Mechanic has pre-drilled holes in the feet, allowing you to permanently install it in a commercial bike shop or home workroom. It's built with an adjustable handlebar rod to keep the front wheel from swiveling. It offers a wide height adjustment range and folds up when not in use. It's good value for the performance. At number 4, the Venzo VPT mounts to a workbench and can extend or rotate to multiple positions to let you access any part of your ride. It's equipped with a quick release mechanism on the clamp and backed by a lifetime warranty, and takes up much less space than a floor standing model. It comes with a protective coating for durability and strong jaws that prevent slippage. It offers a quick and simple setup process. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Park Tool PCS 10.2 is made for serious home mechanics who plan to make tweaks and adjustments on a regular basis. It can accommodate a wide range of frames, which means you should be able to help out friends and family with their bikes as well. It includes a tool platform with hanging holes, and the jaw covers can be replaced as needed. It clamps vertically or horizontally. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bicycle repair stands, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Bikehand YC100BH has a clamp that can attach to the seat post or top tube, making it a versatile option. A built-in tray allows for easy tool organization and retrieval, and the shaft doesn't flex under heavy loads, giving you a sense of security while you work. It features easy quick-release adjustment knobs, nicely padded jaws, and a tough aluminum alloy body. And taking the top spot on our list, the Feedback Sports Pro Ultralight is, as the name implies, very lightweight and yet super sturdy. Its red rust-resistant aluminum tubing gives it a bright, polished appearance that makes it suitable for a professional setting. It can support up to 65 pounds and is extremely compact when not in use. The height adjusts from 42 to 71 inches. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bicycle repair stands, or simply click beneath this video.